Welcome, everyone, welcome. Now, let's put our minds to business. What will you do with 27,500 Rand each month? And you have done a lot of effort. You have grew your own community. You have grew your own team. What will you do with 27,500 Rand? If you want to only to work with one account, when you work with three accounts, that's 82,500 Rand. What will you do with that amount of money each month or each week? It all depends from you, how you operate, how you can control your downliners. Now we will go into downliners into the next section. Alright? Now you need to control your own people. You need to have that mindset from I want to grow my own community. I want to grow my own tree. I want to grow by helping each other. Because if you help someone, they're going to help you. Alright? So we have a Google Sheet. Now this Google Sheet, it's balancing all the sides of the tree because I am the leader, and when I'm the leader, you all can see all the benefits um, in the tree. Alright? And when I say about benefits, I'm going to show you in the sessions what I mean about benefits and how the tree looks. Alright? What happens on the left hand side must be on the right hand side, and whatever goes up must come down, so that each one of our community tree get the same benefits. Nobody will be pulling um, more benefits and not that one. Alright? Everybody in Stokvel is equal. But it's up to you if you going to put some effort in. Stokvel is not me, myself, and I business. Because if you're not going to help other people to grow, say your townliners, you're not going to help them to grow, you're not going to grow. But when you have a mindset by helping them, and when you help them, they're going to push your salary up to 27,500 Rand or 82,500 Rand. Okay? But you need to put that first step. Am I capable to run a business? Do I have time? Will I be able to spread the word mouthly? Will I know how to set people up? Will I know what to do and all of that stuff? So in this course, you're going to understand the benefits. You're going to understand the strategies. You're going to understand the app and the whole concept about Stokvel Green a Pasture.